Alright, hi guys. Everyone's been asking me about my new facility, and instead of trying to tell you all about it, I thought we'd do a little video tour. So let us begin. Okay, so to start with, I'll show you the offices. This is where we do our consults and also ART treatments. We also have treatments on the floor in between sets, which is why we have a treatment table down here. PNF stretching also gets utilised on top of this treatment table. Just behind the treatment table we have our lifting platforms. They're stocked with Eleiko bars and plates. We have 2 male training bars, 1 female bar and 1 technique bar, which is brilliant for kids also. Over here we have our benches. Now benches are designed with Super 14 players in mind. They have a nifty little feature called the auto spot, and what it does, as you pull the bar forward, the rack comes forward, you lift the bar off and the rack will swing back. Now this actually prevents the majority of shoulder problems with bench pressing, as unracking the bar is the cause of those problems. We have a preacher curl, a variety of benches, also 2 full sets of dumbbells with plate mates and fat grips, some inspirational wall hanging so we all get pumped up in here, an array of rehab and testing devices just in the corner, the trusty foam rollers, seated calf, a variety of bars. Now the bar to the far right is actually called a football bar. We've got also 3 different types of fat bars, a 3-inch, a 2-inch and a short 2-inch, and we also have a trap bar. Now if you look at these racks here, these racks have been custom made for the CCPC. They are made a lot taller than what you'd normally find in conventional gyms. The reason behind that is we have a lot of tall athletes in here that need to be able to overhead press inside a rack. Next, in between the racks we have our bands, lifting belts, skipping ropes, and just behind the racks we have our weapons of choice for the hamstrings and the lower back. Now this device here is called a reverse hyper. It's very uncommon to find in gyms, and it's actually a great injustice because it is one of the best exercises for rehabbing the lower back. Next to the reverse hyper we have our glute hamstring raise. Now the glute hamstring raise is also a great exercise for the hamstring and lower back, and it will give you a lot of hamstring soreness the first time you try it. Trust me, it's not too great. Next door is our 45-degree hyper. Then we have a standing hamstring curl. Again, a standing hamstring curl is rather rare. It just allows us to place the hamstrings under a different strength curve than what you normally get with the conventional prone hamstring curl, which is what we have here. Next door to this is our functional trainer, and next door to the functional trainer is our Vertec, which is our vertical jump testing device. Now just behind the jumping device we have our artificial turf. Now this turf is actually FIFA approved. How I learnt about it was in cold climates in Europe they use the same material as their soccer pitch because they do not have the time to or the resource to keep the pitch in order in all the cold weather, and so this is brilliant for running, short little sprints and jumping on. And then we have just a variety of gymnastic and strongman equipment just in the corner in front of the shower and toilets. Okay guys, that's it. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I'll see you all in here soon.